In this video, I'm going to describe how to license Image-Pro. We've implemented an easy-to-use, flexible system called license linking. License linking is done using a simple tool called the License Manager. Licenses for the Image-Pro base product, modules, and module extensions are wrapped into bundles. Bundles always include the base product. Here we see an illustration of a bundle that includes the Image-Pro base product, the AutoQuant module, the 2D automated analysis module, and cell biology protocols. Bundles are flexible and can be reconfigured. Here we see an illustration of the AutoQuant deconvolution module being moved to a second bundle. License bundles can be linked to computers, dongles, or the license server using the License Manager. When a bundle is linked to a computer, all users of that computer are licensed to work with Image-Pro. License bundles can be unlinked at any time using the License Manager and relinked to another valid target. When a bundle is linked to a dongle, any user of any computer to which the dongle is connected are licensed to use Image-Pro. When a bundle is linked to a license server, any user of any computer that's connected to the license server is licensed to use Image-Pro. Using the license server is covered in another video. In this video, we'll consider linking license bundles to computers and dongles. Your first step is to register for a myMediaCy account. Follow the link in the email that you received from Media Cybernetics. You'll be asked to complete some missing information fields. The fields that you need to complete will depend on the type of account that you're setting up, so you may not see exactly what you're shown here. We do request that you complete any essential fields and sign into your account. You now have access to the myMediaCy portal. Expand the profile turn down on the left and click on the My Profile link. You can then complete your profile. The next step is to download and install Image-Pro. Expand the Plans and Products turn down on the left and click on the My Products link. Click on the Action menu of your license bundle to download the Image-Pro installer. Open your Downloads folder and install Image-Pro. The third and final step is to link your license bundle using the License Manager. If you open Image-Pro during the trial period, you'll have the option to access the License Manager when Image-Pro opens. If your trial period has expired, the License Manager will open directly. You can also access the License Manager from the Image-Pro Help menu or by typing License Manager in the Windows Start menu search field. Sign into the License Manager using your myMediaCy username and password. Your license bundle is shown in the My Unlinked Licenses table. Select your bundle's checkbox and click on the Link button. We'll start by linking a license bundle to a computer, so I'm leaving the default selection, this computer, and clicking OK. After a short delay, the License Manager updates and your license bundle is displayed in the My Linked Licenses table. The computer icon is shown in the target column. Image-Pro will now open fully licensed. You can check the license menu on the right, where we can see that the license bundle is linked to the computer. We can also open the About Image-Pro dialog and check the About and Licenses tabs to see which modules and module extensions are included in our license bundle. Next, we'll link a license bundle to a dongle. At this point, you must plug in your green MaxDL dongle into a free USB port on your computer. Select your license bundle in the My Unlinked Licenses table and click Link. Select the USB dongle option and click OK. After a short delay, the License Manager updates and your license bundle is displayed in the My Linked Licenses table. This time the dongle icon is shown in the target column. Image-Pro will now open fully licensed. This time the license menu on the right shows that our license bundle is linked to a dongle. Image-Pro will open fully licensed on any computer to which the dongle is connected. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact MediaCy and we'll be very happy to help.